Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Well, good morning, guys. I think it's day 24 of the reverse. I could be totally off on these dates, so don't take my word for it. At this point, I kind of get lost. It's hard keeping track of which day is which, let alone how many days I've been vlogging here. But we are coming to the end of my planned vloggage, and I hope that is okay with you guys. As fun as it has been to share my life with you and like more with you than normal, I am looking forward to getting a little bit more sleep and a little bit back to my normal editing for my other channel, because I'm getting kind of behind over there because I've been putting you guys as the priority. Also, I'm looking forward to getting back to live chats because I haven't been able to do those and stuff like that and get back to my regular posting schedule. But it has been enlightening and fun to be vlogging for you guys every day and to talk to you every day and to get to know you a little better and have you get to know me a little better, because I remember, I know at the beginning I did a lot of vlogging like this, so if you're curious, I know a few of you are running through the old vlogs and I think that's funny. But yeah, like I used to do this quite a bit, and that's actually why I started my family channel, because I really liked just sharing our lives and stuff like that. But it didn't seem to really fit on this channel, and it's even more complicated trying to do it for both, so yeah. Anyway, the scale is the same again, and I feel okay about that. It's not in a horrible place. 4 pounds is not bad, especially when I know it's not actual body fat. I can see that it's not. So I'll just be doing more patience things. I've had a lot of patience this month. I've really just kind of let things happen how they happen and just trying to go with the flow and accept it. Man, that's weird with that reflection on my eyes. Sorry, I didn't realize it was doing that until I just now. Sorry, guys. We're at the light now anyway. So anyway, I just wanted to say it's going to be a fun day. Today is clogging day. I really love clogging. I'm looking forward to that. I am tired. I got 7 hours last night, but I still feel like I could use about 50,000 more. Definitely going to be drinking my bang here and trying to wake up. And I don't have any sage words of wisdom for you today, other than just like, let's keep on keeping on and see what happens. It's my second day of 1,500 calories. I'm looking forward to it. I'm super looking forward to the weekend of my refeed that I'm going to be doing. Going out to eat with Dave again will be so nice. Having some extra food. So I'm looking forward to food. Because it's funny, like the more you add food in on your reverse, it's like the more food that your body really feels like it needs, and you get more and more antsy for food. I don't feel obsessed over food, just feel like I want a little bit more. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just like this weird feeling of just not quite having enough. And I know I look like 100 miles a bad road because I'm editing these videos every day and I'm thinking, you guys must think I look like this diet is killing me. But I'm just really tired from editing videos, and that's the honest truth. I just can't get enough sleep because I have to stay up later. So, wish me luck, guys. Everything's gonna be fine. Oh, I gotta drive, so I'll talk to you in a minute. 7 times 4, come 20. On. 28. Good job. 8 times 5.
25.
Nope. Apples on my tree, 40. Let's do for her.
This is mine.
8 times 7.
8 times 7. 56.
Yep. 56. Come on, guys. You're not getting them. No. 4 times 5.
20.
Pies?
Plenty.
How many pies?
20 pies.
20 pies. 7 times 3
I'm not.
kittens.
21.
21. It's lunchtime. This is usually my second time out to see the chickens, but I did not get out this morning. I was too busy cleaning the bathrooms. Yay, fun times. Hello, Shadow. Always the first to greet me. Not laying an egg right now. Don't come out. Don't come out. You let me in. Chickens. Here we got 2 babies and 2 regulars.
Mom, how do I do a selfie on this one?
You have to turn it around.
How do I do a selfie?
Turn it around.
Where's the reverse button? Turn the reverse button. Stop! I already did. She's hurting me!
I'm tickling him.
That hurt. You're
my gosh.
50, you're not tickling.
64 stickers.
Ow, stop!
I can feel lava creature.
Mom,
what happened to the
Don't look at my arm.
world?
Mom!
Then
Don't look, don't.
it's gone forever.
Look at my arm.
Mom, look at this.
But then
Look.
you still would have to leave them, or
Please
you
don't
can't
let
live
me
in 2
see it.
places.
You're not allowed to see it.
No, I'm not gonna.
It's for her birthday.
My old place.
Don't take a picture of it.
I'm gonna bring
Don't
my
take pictures of my
old
arm.
family back.
Ah!
Okay.
Mom.
If you really need
Okay.
your old family, I guess you better take your your red saver and go kill the lava monster for good.
Mommy, that's baby. Go!
Ooh, Splash Baby.
That one.
Goes up. Sounds like a weirdo.
Nice smile for the camera.
Are you really putting this in the vlog?
Some of it.
Janine, what do you got so far?
Not that part. Hey guys, it's 2 o'clock and today is like a chocolate day, I think. For my first meal, I am starting with some Crio Bru. I showed you yesterday. See if I can get a good angle of it without dumping it in my... Oh, good. And today, I didn't put any heavy cream in it. I just put in a little bit of my chocolate protein shake. It's pretty good. And it's not quite as creamy as with a heavy cream, but it has way less calories and much more protein. And so then I use the rest of the shake to make a chocolate custard with 2 eggs, and that's 8 grams of slivered almonds that kind of got boiled into the middle. Obviously, I overcooked it a little bit because I was using less of the shake. I didn't realize I had to cook it so much less time. And then I'm having 50 grams today of center cut bacon because I was way in the mood for it, and I have some that's just on the edge of not being super awesome anymore, so I need to eat it up. Then I have 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese that I fried up in a pan and 3 sugar-free jellos. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. It's just raining. We are ready to go to Clogging.
Yep.
Hopefully we all still have shoes in the car because I don't have time to think about it. But we are heading
the
out
shoe
to the
horn?
dance studio. I got the shoe horn. Why do you think we're late, Ruby? Because I couldn't find it. That's why. longer working in my car. It's only like one more week of warmth for the whole entire year, and there's no AC. So yay. Also, it's windy, so hopefully it won't start raining on us. Anyway, I am going to show you what I'm going to be having. It's almost 5, so I am having my little dance snack. Bang, to keep me going. 3 sugar-free Jellos. And today, an orange Built Bar. So that's what I'm going to be eating for my mid-afternoon snackage. And yeah, wish me luck in this hot car. I'm feeling kind of cruddy and it's hot in here, and I think I need Solé, so I'm going to take my 3rd dose now and then have my 4th dose for during clogging. Yay, hope it helps.
Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Jumping, flexing, no, no. I just want you. Something you and me, oh. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Jumping, flexing, no, no. I just want you. Something you and me, oh. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah.
Ooh, good grief, you guys. I made it home. It's 9 o'clock. I am about to have my last meal of the day and get started on my editing. Alright, so let me show you what I'm going to be having for dinner. Tonight I am having pumpkins. So normally I would have cauliflower rice with this meal, but because it is September and you can get pumpkin now, I'm having pumpkin. So I have 155 grams of pumpkin covered by gravy that I have the recipe for in the recipes playlist. This is my hamburger gravy. It is made out of 6 ounces of 85-15 ground beef, bouillon, xanthan gum, and onions, and basically whatever you want to put in it. And then I also have 60 grams of mushrooms and I think it's like 3, can't remember how many green peas I told him to put in, but I did it by my macros, so I think it's like 3 ounces, 2 ounces, something like that. It's been a while since I made it. I tracked everything this morning and I sent it to Dave this morning so that I wouldn't have to worry about it tonight. Anyway, delicious, right? I can't wait to dig in and eat this delicious fall meal, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. 450 milligrams of magnesium glycinate and a ritual vitamin. Alrighty guys, I had my 4th Solé in the water bottle during my clogging class, and so I don't need to take any more tonight. I took my vitamins. I'm gonna head off to bed. It's actually before midnight, but I didn't do a hide and seek video for 2 days in a row, so that's a problem. But whatever, try not to think about it too hard, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good night.
Je bent God aan mijn best life, yeah. both got my best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. You both got my best life, yeah. Jumping, flexing, no, no.